Can Mahr be in forms of other than money like property or education?
The scholars say that Mahr can be of anything that has a value. So in the hadith, the Prophet ﷺ, when a man wanted to marry a woman who displayed herself to the Prophet ﷺ, she offered herself to the Prophet, and the Prophet had no interest in her. And she was standing there, and the Prophet was looking elsewhere. And he did not show any interest. So a man stood up and said, "O Prophet of Allah, if you don't have any interest in her, give her to me in marriage." So the Prophet asked him, "What do you have? Any money?" The guy was stone broke. So the Prophet said, "Even if you get a ring of iron." Yani, what is iron? Nothing, not silver, iron. He said, "Allah, there's nothing. I have nothing." So the Prophet said, "Do you memorize the Quran?" He said, "Yes, I memorize surah so and so and so." So he said, "I give her to you so that you make her memorize these surahs of the Quran as a wage, as a mahr." And they got married because of this. So anything that has value can be a form of mahr. We always appreciate something that is tangible, because it so happens that years later, maybe there is a difference of opinion, or they can't live together and they have to divorce. The woman asks for khul'. The man says, "Okay, give me back my mahr." So they come to the judge. "What was your mahr?" She says, "A trip to Hajj." "Okay, did you go?" "No." Or she says, "Yes, I went." So how much? This is a problem. We don't have the value. So many times they divorce, and the woman says, "He did not give me my mahr." The judge says, "True?" He says, "Yes, it's true." "Okay, give her her mahr." "What is her mahr?" I said, a trip to Hajj." "From where?" "From Los Angeles." "Ya Latif, long way." "Okay, how much?" The guy says, "The approximate cost is $9,000. The woman says, "No, it's $25,000. "Why?" "I was first class and staying in the clock tower or Dar al-Tawheed, and she's going for 5-star package, and he's going for normal package." So which one? They start to dispute. But when it's written, Hajj journey costs 7,000. There is a dispute, there is a divorce, khalas, he has to pay the 7,000. This is why we say it has to be tangible and fixed, so that there would not become an issue of dispute in the future, and Allah knows best.